Oh, we're going to just do that with that caramel on there. What do you reckon to those? Oh, they are outstanding. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, crispy apple pie, egg rolls and a caramel dip. A bit of an apple pie job using egg roll wrappers. You know, we're not going to fry it actually, we're actually going to make a nice cinnamon sugar coating, chuck it in the oven, bake it. So it's still going to be like an apple pie, but it's going to be in a roll form and you can dip it in the caramel sauce. Let's do it. In here, I've got some butter because we're going to peel the apples and chuck them in there. We're not putting stuff everywhere. Chuck it straight in the pan and we're going to cook off the apples. Come on, peel and dice your apples. And I've got some bruisey ones here as usual, but let's get on with it. Come on. So you just peel and dice any which way that you normally do. That's up to you. Oven today is going to be on at 200 degrees. We want a nice golden, crispy, sugary cinnamon coating on the outside of these apple pie egg rolls. You can actually fry these as well. You know, you can do the normal egg roll fry and then you can sprinkle sugar and cinnamon over the top. But a little tip is that if you fry them and come out on the hot, get some icing sugar, a little bit of powdered sugar over them, and they will melt on in a shiny gloss. Beautiful, but we're not going that way today. So just get your apples peeled, any which way you normally do. Use any apple you like. These are Granny Smiths. You know, these will be fine. We're going to have sugar in with them, so they're going to counteract the sourness of this. But you know, you can use eating apples, you can use a mixture. It doesn't matter. You know, these quarter things are pretty cool, you know. You know, you just whack it down there. Now, I miss the core sometimes, don't get me wrong. Give it a little twist, out comes the core. But you've got one of these little, press that. And then you just pull out the core. Absolutely fabulous. Now, I must admit, I do forget to take it out of the drawer sometimes and just get on with it with a knife, but there you go. Right, it's a straightforward. Cube up your apples and chuck them in that pan. You decide how big you want them. You know, don't forget this is going inside an egg roll wrap. So, they don't want to be big, huge cubes. They only want to be like this, you know. In there, come on. Okay, drag yourself your pan onto a cooker. Put a little flame on. We got that butter in there. We're going in there with some salt. Gonna go in there with a little splash of vanilla. About 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. A little bit of nutmeg, and we want some cinnamon. And we want to be giving that a little. Now we're going to give these a little bit of a cooking in this buttery, seasoned, flavoured mix for about 8 minutes, I reckon. Just keep giving it a little move around. You know, you don't want to burn the apples. Don't forget, it's a lot of sugar and spice in here at the moment. Now you can cook it any length of time, and you can cook it so you have chunks of apple in, or you can give it a bit of a mashing as you're going along and have a nice sort of apple sauce in there with your chunky apples. Take a masher and give a couple of them a bit of a mashing, then you're going to get a bit of a appley sauce going on with your apples. Okay, that's cooking done. Flame off. Right, we need that mix to cool down before we can wrap it. If not, it's going to make our wraps soggy. So cool that down. Let's get cracking. Start filling your wraps. You've got to work out in your mind how many you want. So we're only going to do about that much, look. Because by the time we've rolled up. Now I've got cornstarch or corn flour and water mixed here, and that's what I'm using as a glue. So we only want nice little wraps, the bites, you know, and then we don't have to cut them all. Now I'm 100% certain they ain't going to stay the same size. Okay, so we got that, and we're going to put that seam down on the tray. We will be buttering these and coating them with sugar cinnamon. So it's just a case of roll, bring in the sides and roll. We're just making the bog standard Chinese type spring roll wrap. Okay, you want to make up a little bit of cinnamon sugar. So we want a little bit of sugar in there. That'll do. And we want some cinnamon. Of course we do. That'll do. Little mix up. That's better. Okay, what we have to do is brush these egg rolls with butter. We're going to leave them on this tray. They can bake on the tray, can't they? Come on. So a nice little butter over there. Now you can roll these completely in cinnamon sugar if you want. That's up to you. And we can just put a little bit on there like you would with an apple pie. That goes in the oven to bake 15 to 18. It'll crisp up. There you go. Okay, we want a dip, don't we? All those people who watch the channel have seen a quick caramel before. In there, butter. A couple of tablespoons of butter. In there, sweet condensed milk. And we're going brown sugar today. We're not going to do golden syrup. We're going to do brown sugar. In there, some salt. And we're going to do a splash of vanilla. And we're going to melt all that together. I'm going to cook it for about 8 minutes only. Now, if you want to bring down the sugar level of this, you know, you could just put 1 tablespoon of brown sugar in. because sweetened condensed milk is obviously sweetened. So just keep giving it a little stir around. Make sure nothing catches, because this is a pan full of sugar. There we go, that will do. So we just want that to cool down. We'll put a little bit in a bowl as a dip, and then we want to take that and we want to drizzle it over those crispy apple pie egg rolls. Oh yeah. Okay, when you got that little bit of colour on there you like, let's have that out of there. Oh yeah. Come on, look at those. Absolutely sensational look. Nice crispy egg roll. We got that cinnamon sugar on there. Oh yeah. You can take a little bit of melted butter and you can glaze and you get a shine on there. Now you could do this and put it back in the oven, or you can just put it on there now. This is my way. Just get that buttery flavour on the top of there with that caramelized sugar and cinnamon. Oh yeah. I mean, come on, look how special they look. What a simple, simple dessert. Come on there. Oh, you know it makes sense. Got a little bit of caramel sauce there, look. Come on, we'll just cut this one open. On there. And are you ready for this? Oh, we're going to just do that with that caramel on there. Oh yeah. Oh, what do you reckon to those? Oh, they are outstanding. They are superb. That is our crispy apple pie egg rolls and our caramel dip. Just look at that. Now, this is just ridiculous. Now, health warning. Type 2 diabetes or whatever diabetes, this will probably give you type 47 diabetes, so I wouldn't recommend eating this every single day, but I would recommend eating it once. All that juicy apple filling in there, and okay, we drizzled over the top. Wow, that's hot. Well, that is off the charts. I mean, come on. Apple pie, crispy rolls, cinnamon sugar and caramel. Oh, that is ridiculously good. And we got this caramel, look. More goo. Oh, look at that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Do not do it. Go on then. Oh, that is off the charts. No word of a lie. Oh man. This caramel lasts for about 3 weeks in the fridge, if you can make it last that long. There you go. That's our apple pie egg rolls. Crispy as heck. Nice cinnamon sugar over there. fantastic as a party snack. Come on. In there. You know it's got to be done, don't you? Oh, it's red hot, this inside. We got that nice buttery top on there as well. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's running down. Look in there. Bursting with our apples. We got that lovely crunch on there. We got that cinnamon sugar and that buttery finish. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make these. Come on, really, really easy. Apple pie, egg rolls. And a nice caramel dip. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. Oh yeah.